Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the changing hair color filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to your TikTok application, open that up. Then you want to go over to your Discover tab, and you just want to click on search, and just search for hair color change filter with no space. So hair color change filter, all no spaces. And then you just want to look through here and find one video with the filter on it. So you just go through and click on videos.
Alright,
so one right here, blue and pink tint. So you see above the person's name there, it says blue and pink tint. You want to click on that. And then you're able to add it to your favorites. And what's cool about this specific one here as well is you can click on the top above that and you'll see there's a green tint for green hair, hazel tint, and as well as red tint. So there is lots of ones you could add over to your filters, and you'll be able to use it in your own videos. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the changing hair color filter on TikTok. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.